Welcome to this tutorial on understanding Zopa online banking. Zopa is a digital bank that provides a range of financial services, including current accounts, credit cards, and loans. To get started with Zopa, you will need to sign up for an account on their website or through their mobile app. First, navigate to the Zopa website or download the Zopa app from the App Store. Click on the Sign Up button and enter your personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driving license, to verify your identity. Once you have signed up, you will be able to log into your account and access the Zopa dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, transactions, and any upcoming payments. You can also use the dashboard to manage your account settings, including changing your password and setting up account alerts. To manage your money with Zopa, you can use the app to make payments, transfer funds, and set up direct debits. You can also use the app to apply for credit cards and loans, and to view your credit score. Zopa also offers a range of budgeting tools, including the ability to set budgets and track your spending. One of the key benefits of Zopa is its user-friendly interface and lack of fees. Zopa does not charge fees for everyday banking services, including ATM withdrawals and foreign transactions. However, you should be aware that some services, such as loan applications, may be subject to interest rates and fees. To get the most out of Zopa, it is a good idea to set up account alerts and notifications. This will help you stay on top of your account activity and avoid any potential issues, such as overdrafts or missed payments. You should also take the time to review your account settings and budget regularly, to ensure that you are making the most of your money. In conclusion, Zopa online banking is a convenient and user-friendly way to manage your finances. By following these steps and taking the time to understand how Zopa works, you can make the most of your account and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always stay on top of your account activity and take advantage of the range of tools and services that Zopa has to offer.